I was so excited then. And now, I'm excited again because of this affair. Our JS prom. Yesterday, today. But what about tomorrow? I am very sure that many of us have hidden talents. Someday, we will need these talents deep inside us and use them in our future jobs. Just a few more days to go, and we, seniors, will come up the stage to get our diplomas and get ready for our college studies. I'm sure it's not going to be easy in college, and we will need all the help and luck we can get. Someday, we'll be able to finish our college studies and be able to get decent jobs. Others who may not be lucky enough to go to college will need these talents to start their own business. I believe in the saying that intelligence is great, but only the doers become achievers. Since I was a kid, I've always wanted to become a teacher. 4 years from now, maybe I shall have already finished my studies and become a full-fledged teacher and be able to teach high school students and be their guide to success. Carlo Lazada, Emiliana Esperancilla, Charmaine Zaratan, and I myself might mold a new batch into the future hopes of the world. Mark Ellis Galang, Jake Quinto, Joseph Nabong, Norman Posadas might become actors, and Katrina Blas, Jonah De Feo, and Rika Dicaling might become actresses, and maybe they might become the nominees for the Best Actor and Best Actress Award. I have seen them perform on stage, and when I saw them perform on some of our role plays in class, I told myself that they really deserve to be the best actors and actresses. Francis Jefferson Weber has the full package that can lead him to enter the world of show business. Giancarlo Barron and Teresa May Carmero have always been active in journalism. So I think that years from now, they'll have made names for themselves. Shayna Calces might become the sender of God's words because she is very active in religious matters. Maybe Mark Alus Jansabangan and Danny Mayong will become the next president of the Philippine Republic because they are very active in politics and they always act as good leaders. Brian Maligtas and Carlos Castillo have been very good at speaking. So I think 5 years from now, they will be two of the great broadcasters in our country. Riza May Bayan might have her own business someday. Rhea Zenriason and Eliza Yaul might work on airlines and become successful flight stewardess. Nika Edra is a very good singer, and maybe 10 years from now, she might become a great singer, and someday, she will be our answer to Regine Velasquez. Maybe Ian Santiago, Angelica Lopez, and Resolute Dao will become good accountants. Isabel Deliste and Lilian Vallejo are good in terms of cooking, so I think they might become chefs in famous restaurants. Winkler Lee might become famous model because she has the body and the looks. Benjamin Juan, Mark J.B. Pigtag, Willie Joe Francisco, Enriquea Mingote, Joanna Joy Palomares, Clarissa Peligro, and Judy Ann Reyes are great performers. And maybe 10 years from now, they might have a group of their own and be able to perform around the world. Aldrin Tutor might become a volleyball star and a captain because since I met him, all he ever talks about is volleyball. Francis Magdalas, Marvin Quijano, Renz Rosales, Mark Tan, Kermay Aguirre, Jamila Mercado, and Abigail Vasquez have been very good in drawing. So I think that years from now, they'll have made artworks which will be on different museums. Maybe John Nicolau will be an awesome doctor. Liza Morala might become famous for being a great fashionista. Ferlin Cornelio, Paula Maricruz, and Patricia Suba might be professional photographers of our society. And maybe 15 years from now, E. Rodriguez Junior High School might become a 5-story building that can support a population of 5,000 students without the aid of evening classes. These are all just a prophecy, but I hope that we have a bright future ahead of us, and may we live a very happy and fruitful life. Thank you and good evening.